Sugar, and it is 2018 now, which is kind of really exciting. I'd like to thank you 2017. You have been amazing, and I want to know how your guys' 2017 went by. So comment down below how it went for you, because it was pretty okay for me. So Happy New Year, guys, and also Merry Christmas, because today's video is going to be my what I got for Christmas video, because why not? I know this is long overdue. It should have been back in December, but I just haven't found the time to film it, okay guys? So I'm filming it right now, which I'm so excited. And also a disclaimer before I get started, I am not trying to show off or brag about the gifts that I got for Christmas. It's just that I want to give huge thanks to everyone who has given me these gifts, and to my friends who've given me gifts on Christmas, like on our Christmas party in school. I'll be doing a separate video on that because I did vlog it. Yes, I actually did Vlogmas. I have no idea why I didn't end up editing any of my Vlogmas footage, so that will also be up this month, so it's very late. I'm so sorry, but let's go. Okay, so I'm gonna start first with this amazing thing. Okay, so my mom got me this bracelet. It is just so crazy, and when she got this for me, I was actually with her because she wasn't really sure what charm I wanted, so I picked the Rapunzel charm. Yes, it is totally amazing, and this was the only charm that I ended up choosing, because I don't really like bracelets with a lot of danglings on them. I just like it really dainty, so there you go. So thank you, mommy. Okay, next up is from my dad, and he got me some shoes. These are, alright, okay, there's this thing about me. Whenever I get new shoes, I have to put them in their boxes with their wrapping properly placed on them. I'm very kind of like OC with my shoes, especially if they're new, but these are them. This is just the most amazing shoe. I feel like this is gonna be my go-to because it just goes with everything that I wear. And by the way, this is the Stan Smith one, and it has the light pink details. And also for my dad, he got me and my mom actually a Jo Malone perfume, because my mom and I do share perfumes because we have like similar scent taste. So this is so exciting. Oh my god. So this is the Jo Malone Peony and Blush Suede Cologne, and this is the 100 ml one. It smells amazing, like, give me a spritz. Okay, and then from my uncle and my aunt, they gave me this Victoria's Secret cream lip stains in 2 shades. So the first one is in the shade Perfection, which I absolutely love. I should have actually put it on my lips right now. And then this one is Magnetic, which is a really pretty kind of fuchsia pink, muted fuchsia, and then this one's like a cute pinky nude color, so thank you so much. Oh, this one is from my brother. He got me a beauty blender because I actually asked this from him, then he got it, and it's just so soft and it looks like a butt, like. And then from Tita Beth, my mom's friend, she gave me this Maybelline the Baby Lips collection, which I've actually never seen before in the Philippines, which was really cool. So in this pack, it comes with the Baby Lips Candy Wow in the shade Raspberry, and then the Baby Lips Lip Balm, and then it has the Baby Lips Balm and Blush. And it was so cool because 2 of these products inside I have no idea was kind of a thing from Maybelline. We have the Baby Lips Lip Balm with SPF 20, which is really cool. And then you got this one, which is the Baby Lips Balm and Blush, so you can use it for your cheeks and for your lips. And this is in the shade Shimmering Bronze, and it is the coolest thing, guys. Like, look. The last thing is like a crayon stick, and then it looked like that. It's just so cool. Yeah, thank you. And then from Ujay, my uncle, he got me, okay, so he went to Japan a few months ago, and he got me an Anello bag, which is so amazing. This has been my go-to bag, like back and forth, and it is just in this beautiful navy blue color. I just think it goes with anything I wear, really, and it fits so many things. Like, it's quite small, but it's like a Mary Poppins bag, like, cool. And Ashley already has my things in it because of how many times I've used it. Like, I don't really take anything out anymore because it's just my go-to, so I love it so much. And then along with that, he also got me, because he went to Disneyland or Disney Sea in Japan as well, and he knows that I absolutely love Rapunzel. I mean, I'm sure some of you guys know I have an obsession with Rapunzel, so he got me this gorgeous keychain. Guys, look how many Rapunzel stuff I have in front of me right now. My cold. And this just added to my collection, so thank you. And then my Tita Cindy, she got me a set of PJs, which is so cool because I am in dire need of like proper PJs, because you guys, the clothes that I wear at home and my like sleep clothes, they're just the largest clothes ever. They're bigger than my brother's clothes. Like they're double XL, because they're really comfy, and my mom's like, you need PJs, new PJs. So I think she was happy when I got these. So guys, it is so cute. It's just striped. Wait, let me show you. It is just striped, and then it says, bear with me, I'm tired, and the bear is like bear. It's like bear. This is so cute. And then the PJs are just like plain light gray, and I absolutely love these. It's so soft, so thank you, Pa. And then from Tita Rima, she got me this really adorable, what do you call it? A coin pouch, whatever you call it, and it has really cute tassels. It's this pretty like powder blue shade. I absolutely love it. So nice, thank you. I call them my Mommy Oya and my Mommy Eating. The next thing is from them, and I have been wanting this for like 2 years now, and they got it. It's like, it actually came before Christmas, so it's like an early Christmas gift. It is the most amazing thing ever. It's just, it is the Fjallraven Konken bag. I definitely did not pronounce that correctly because it's a Swedish brand, and I'm not Swedish. I don't have the accent, but I shall try. I've heard Swedish people say it's the Fjallraven Konken. The Fjallraven Konken. Yeah, whatever. Yeah, absolutely love this bag. It's in the shade sky blue. It is so spacious. It fits everything that I need. I use it for school, sometimes when I go to the mall. So thank you, Bob. Okay, so those are the gifts that I got for Christmas 2017, and also from my friends who gave me gifts. I will do a separate video on that, so don't worry about that. But anyways, I am just genuinely like beyond thankful for everything that I got this Christmas. Thank you for all. Of course, one of the best Christmas gifts as well is you guys. It's been amazing. And that is it. If you guys liked this video, then please give it a thumbs up. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. Happy New Year, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay sweet. Bye.
But behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.